folks, Norm here, somewhere in Central Texas, showing off today my F4 Customs polycarbonate windshield. I've had this on my bike, which is a Can-Am Spyder F3 Limited, for the past 2 years. Real pleased with it. The original equipment windshield would hit me right in the chin, at least the wind would, not the windshield. And when I upgraded to this new windshield from F4 Customs, it solved all of my wind buffeting issues, could keep my helmet visor in any position I wanted, and real pleased with the quality of the windshield. And it is not the run-of-the-mill acrylic, but it is a polycarbonate with a hard coating, and you can use paper towels from the gas station and Windex to clean the thing. I've got the light tint. This is the 21-inch size. For my height, it's perfect. And I am 5'8". This has a adjustable vent in the center. And Don Frank, who runs the company, sent me these additional brackets which make this thing bulletproof. So I'm real pleased with this, and thought I'd do a review on this as well as what I just got in the mail today that I'm real pleased with. And this is, and look how well packaged it was. These are the side wings for that windshield, and there's two, obviously, one for each side. And I'm going to do an install today and let you see how easy it is. If you'd like to look at something for your own bike, you must have an F4 Customs windshield. This is exclusive for that and the F3 models. Only two tools needed. You need a 3mm Allen wrench and an 8mm box end wrench. So I am going to set up the camera and see if we get this installed. So this should be a relatively easy install. And the first thing that I'm going to do is pop off these little decorative caps. There's two of them. Obviously covering up, they're just these little pop-on decorative caps. Covering up the screw so that everything matches. And you take the 3mm, put it in there, take your 8mm box wrench to loosen hope you're getting this, to loosen the nut on the back. Pretty simple. Do that same for the second one. You can almost hold that by hand as you turn. And these AirWings come fully assembled. So all you do is line it up here. Get them in the proper holes. Get the nuts back on. There's one. There's the second. And let's get this tightened back up again. So hopefully this is easy to see. Trying to keep my arm above what's needed. That one's in. And you don't really want to make it too tight, just fairly snug. Put your decorative caps back on. They just pop on with a little thumb pressure, and check that out. That's so cool. Very pleased with that. Of course, these will look better with the plastic off. Let's see if we can get this off easily. Doing an install video on these hand wings. And look how neat that is. It looks like it came. So when it's real warm out, you turn these in so that it directs all this wind towards you, and when it's cold out, you close that up, and it keeps your hands warm.
Excellent. Excuse me.
Thanks for watching. I had to share this with you all. We hit 90 degrees today in Austin, Texas, and it is a record. So hard to believe. It's February 15th, day after Valentine's Day, and sitting at 90 degrees. And if I were to ride today, I could have this vent open, and I could have these AirWings pointing the air exactly where I want it to be, and they're fully adjustable, and I can't be any more pleased as to how they look and how they function. I will do a ride with them this weekend, and we'll come back with a review on how they work and let you know my opinion of the function. But so far I am more than pleased, and thank you, Don Frank, for another innovative, excellent product. Thank you all.